Sizoqala mhla lulunye kuMandulo kuze kube umhla weshumi nesithupha kuLwezi, isikhathi sokuqoqwa kwentela. Isikhungo esiqoqa intela kulelizwe iSARS sihlela ukwenza izinto ngendlela ehlukile kulokhu ngenxa yokubheduka kwe-coronavirus. Ukusuka kusasa abakhokha intela bazothola umlayezo we-SMS obazisa ngomphumela wokuhlolwa kwentela yabo. Kulo mlayezo abakhokha intela bazokwazi ukuvula ilink evumela ukuthi ubheke, ulungise imininingwane noma uvume umphumela wokuhlolwa kwentela ngohlelo lwe-internet e-filing. Uqinisekisa ukuthi iSARS ilandela imithetho yokuqaqana ukunqanda ukubhebhetheka kwe-coronavirus. Abantu abafuna ukuvakashela amahhovisi abo kuzodingeka ukuthi baxhumane nehhovisi ngocingo ukubekisa isikhathi. Bangaphezu kwey'nkulungwane abantu asebevele behambise imininingwane yabo yentela kanti kubo u12% nje kuphela wabahlonzelwe ukucwaningwa.
We became aware of a fake SMS as well, but in fact we would ask taxpayers to have a careful read at the SMS that is sent. And our website address is very clear, www.sars@gov.co.za, and not to accept anything other than that. And if they are not clear, to rather call our call centres.
Yeah.
This is the sad reality of the criminal behaviour prevalent here, which is why we would encourage taxpayers, Leanne, to in fact use the official Mobi app or the official e-filing platform. That's the safest way, and you know that your data has integrity and you will not be intercepted or ordered.